Back in the days, the blue check mark used to mean you were a big deal, but now it just means you have a credit card. Spotify's trying to flip the script. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Spotify just launched a verified badge to prove a song was made by a human and not a robot. It's a bold move to let users know which music is real, but it ignores the massive elephant in the room, the podcast. While we argue over AI-generated tunes, a wave of botcasts is quietly taking over your feed. Experts say nearly 40% of new podcast feeds might be AI-generated slop. These shows cost nothing to make, sound eerily polished, and are flooding the charts. Major players like Amazon and the Washington Post are already leaning into AI hosts, and startups are churning out digital talent faster than you can hit play. The real problem? Transparency is a total mess. On niche hosting sites, these shows might carry a warning label, but by the time they hit Spotify or Apple Podcasts, those warnings vanish. Unless you're digging through the fine print at the bottom of a description, you'd never know that deep voice host isn't even breathing. If Spotify wants to draw a line for music, they can't play favorites. Podcasting is built on voice, connection, and raw authenticity. The platform is willing to vouch for a single's humanity. They owe the same honesty to listeners tuning into a talk show. Without a fix for the whole system, that shiny new checkmark isn't a badge of honor. In a world where anything can be faked at scale, verification shouldn't be a choice. It should be the bare minimum. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.